So here we just got a brand new PoE NAS switcher, and this one is without a management. Basically, it's also a 24 ports NAS switcher, and it has also the PoE function. So this is a brand new. So basically, we're going to replace this one and to show you how to have this system run up and without do any settings by the PC control software. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to just power off this one, and we're going to do the PoE switching. So power off this one, and also have the microphone moved back. Then disconnect all the cat cable. So when you have this one disconnected, then we just have this one to the top. We just move this one. You can see here this different, and both this one is actually 24 port, but it's with a management, so we can do the settings for this PoE NAS switcher. But this one is without the management port, and it's going to be like just plug and play. So you can see here only got a power supply. And this one is also the same, only in power supply. Yeah, this one is the difference is here we got the management. So we just use this one to do the settings right now. So just put here, and we got all the cable connect back and the Wi-Fi router. So we already have this one connected, then we power on this now switcher. So we can see here we already got power on. So right now what we're going to do is we just wait a little bit and until we see all the transmitters and receivers is powered back. So we just have this one replaced. Then we're going to move the camera a little bit, and then we can see what's going on the TVs here. So you can see right now where it got the source coming out on this 2x2 video wall, and this two small under is showing no source. What we're going to do now is we need to go to the iPad, just do a quick source switching, and you can see here it just stays the same, and we can just back. And we can just make sure and it's connected to the Wi-Fi router. So it's connected, then we back and we just run the iPad application. So we just have this one switch to all screens. So you can see we already got these two honors working. Now you can see we already replaced the management PoE NAS switch to this brand new non-management PoE switcher, and it's working. And we only just need to go to the iPad and just do the source switching, and then